This 2024 Entegra Coach Odyssey SE 27N is a Class C RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features a carbon interior, sleeps 6, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2024 Entegra Coach Odyssey SE 27N is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.